Hello everybody, I hope all is well. This is Gurry, your North Myrtle Beach Realtor. I am here on 3rd Avenue South in the heart of North Myrtle Beach. We are right now 2 blocks to the beach, 2 blocks to Main Street, and I have this great home to show you here. This fabulous ranch. It is at 611B 3rd Avenue South, and it is turnkey. You're really gonna like this. This is just an adorable place. Everything's been done to the nines. I, of course, will be telling you a lot more about it as I show you it. So let's go ahead and start this tour. Okay, everybody, so here we have the home. They've done a fabulous job with updating everything, even just noticing the concrete driveway here, so plenty of room for cars. I'm going to go ahead and take you for a little walk around here. I actually live close by. I live on the same street, and this is just the best neighborhood. So here's a Carolina room. This is an addition that they put on. And then over here what you have is a storage unit, workshop, or you can use this as a golf cart to put your golf cart. So really a lot of options there. Nice little patio area out here as well, so plenty of room for entertainment. The colors here are beautiful too. So this is a light gray that they have painted, and then with like aqua accents that you're going to see throughout the home. So the continuity throughout the home is just top notch. I think that's real important, especially in a smaller home. And the size here is 954 square feet total heated square footage. The decks are Trex decks. All right, nice storm doors. You come in, you have a key code pad here. This prior was being used as an Airbnb, so short-term rentals are allowed. The asking price on this is $419, so $419,000. Does come fully furnished. So a nice open concept here with the living area and the kitchen. A large flat screen TV here. And then you have a closet here. Storage unit, or storage, I should say. Yeah, plenty of room there. All right, and then stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. Nice little breakfast bar here. And the great thing about this is you have storage right here. So updated cabinetry. Beautiful marble countertop. And they have very well done, added the beach motif decor. So not only do you have space, 2 seats right there at the breakfast bar, but you also have a table right here with leaves on either side. So you can pull out those and make more room for dining. Okay, so let's go ahead and this is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. So this is the full bath. With a shower tub combo. And here is one of the bedrooms. So this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. A flat screen TV in here as well. And you have your closet right here. And this is the larger of the bedrooms. So here we have a queen size bed and then bunk beds. They've added a nice touch around the windows with this molding, the trim. So a sliding barn door here to go ahead and let you into the half bath. Hey. And this is not it, folks. So there is a Carolina room. Oh, and this is just lovely. I love Carolina rooms. I love the indoor, the outdoor, bringing the outdoors in. And you definitely have that here. And these are windows that go ahead and slide open. So in the summertime, in the evening, if there's a nice breeze, opening those up. And then in here, you have a separate laundry and utility room. So they've really done a lot with this space. Again, I live close by, I live on the same street, and a lot of these homes will just have one lot size. And because there's about 25 of these homes that are very similar, ranch, a couple different floor plans, but again, all of them very similar. But some of them have one lot size and some of them have a lot and a half size. So that's what they have here. They have a larger lot, so they've been able to do all these additions. It's all fenced in back here. Over there on the other side, that's actually part of the Wyndham. It's a pool that they have over there. Oh, I just love this Carolina room. Just everything. They've really looked at every nook and cranny and done wonderful with the decorations and furnishings and all the updates. Beautiful luxury vinyl plank floor in here, as well as out here. So this is turnkey, folks, as you can see. I don't need to tell you that. That's pretty obvious. No HOA here, no HOAs here, so that's fabulous, right? You don't have to worry about the fee, and so there's not many restrictions at all, too. I mean, this is a single-family home, and so great for a primary residence, secondary residence, or a rental property. Yeah, I'll take you out here one more time. Great, everybody. So happy to go ahead and show you this adorable home that's right here in the heart of North Myrtle Beach, 3rd Avenue South, east side of 17, 2 blocks to the beach, 2 blocks to Main Street. Yet this is a very quiet and just an awesome neighborhood. That's why I live here. I love it. So if you want to know more about this home or any other properties, I'd love to hear from you. Contact information's down below, or just give me a call, 843-877-5839. Y'all take care until next time.